See here. Now I am going to explain in exercise 1.2 fourth problem. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into plus 5 are the composite numbers. Here asking composite numbers. You know very well composite numbers. Okay. So which number have more than 2 factors? Which number has more than 2 factors? Simply that number is called composite number. Okay. So see here, observe here. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13, one number is given. In this here 13, here 13. So that means common 13. That means 7 into 11 into 11 plus 1. 13, 7, 11 is 77 plus 1. That means 13 into 78. 13 into 78. That means 8 3 is 24. Okay. That means 1014 is clear. Okay, here 13 into 17 is 13 into 17 78 is there. That means this number is composite number because here 13 into 78. That means two numbers are here producting. That means here composite, right? Same. Similarly, here also 7 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 plus into 2 into 1 plus 5. Same here 5 is there, here also 5 is there. That means 5 is common. Okay, 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 plus 1. That means 5 into 7 6 are 42. 7 6 are 42. 42 4s are 42. 4s are 8 to 61 68. Again 3s are 24. 18 19 20. 3 1s are 3 5. So 504 into 2 1008. 1008 plus 1 1009. That means 5045 is the answer. So simply clearly see here both numbers are product. 5 into this number product. Here also 13 into 78. This number two numbers are here multiply. That means these two numbers are composite numbers. Okay. Same. Finally, write down this statement as the given numbers, as the given two numbers, right? As the given numbers can be written as the product of two numbers. Here, product of two numbers is there. Previous also product of two numbers, right? So, as the given numbers can be written as the product of two numbers. So, they are composite numbers. These two numbers are composite numbers. Okay. Remember that composite numbers is nothing but product of which number have more than 2 factors. Okay, that numbers is called composite numbers. Okay, copy it and write down fifth problem. Observe here, this is the fifth problem. So fifth problem is also like fourth problem. Okay, as this fourth problem. Okay. How will you show that? 17 into 11 into 2 plus 17 into 11 into 5 is a composite number? Explain. Okay. See, write down first as this problem 17 into 11 into 2 plus 17 into 11 into 5. Okay. There. So 17 into 11. Here also 17 into 11 is there. That means 17 into 11 is common. And remaining as is write down 2 plus 5. Okay, so 17 into 11 178. Okay, into here 7. So 7 sevens are 49. Okay, 7 8s are 56. That means 1309 is the answer. Okay, here also the given expression is a product of two integers. It is also product of two integers or product of two numbers. That's why it is also composite number. This number is also composite number. Okay, write down your statement. This expression. So now the given expression is a product of two integers or numbers. Product of two integers. So given number is a, or given expression is a composite number. Okay, very easy. Write down the statement finally. Okay, copy it. See, exercise 1.2, last problem, sixth problem, last problem in exercise 1.2. So what is the last digit of 6 power 100? What is the last digit of 6 power 100? Okay, see, observe here. First, let's see 6 power n. Here n is the natural numbers. This problem also like third problem. Okay. So 6 power 1, if n is natural number, 6 power 1 is what? 6. 6 power 2, 36. Okay. 6 power 3, 260. So 6 power 4, 1260. So 196, sorry. Okay. 6 power 5 is what? 7776. You observe here, 6 power 1, 6 power 2, 6 power 3, 6 power 4, 6 power 5. In this all conditions, we got unit place value. That means last digit or unit place value. Okay, unit place value we got 6. Okay, end with 6. Same like this. 6 power 100 also end with 6. 6 power 100 also end with 6. See, what is the last digit of 6 power 100? What last digit of 6 power 100? 6 only. Here also we got 6. So here also same like 6 power 100 equal to we got something value and the last digit we got 6. Okay.